Saudi Arabia faced many problems due to natural disasters. Then, engineers transformed the city, providing solutions to severe sandstorms and harnessing energy created by them to power a new and thriving city.
This major transition captured the attention of the world. What was once Bahrain is now Ethereal, a city that can only be fantasized in 2018, but has become a reality in 24-28.
What was once a sandy mess,
Yes.
What was once a sandy mess has become the very best.
Ethereal is a multicultural city with over 5 million active citizens. It welcomes people of all ethnicities and treats its citizens with equality by providing equal job and education opportunities.
In 2018, severe sandstorms caused extreme disruptions of city services and had severe impacts on citizens' health.
And Bahrain used fossil fuels and steam turbines as power sources, both of which are harmful to the environment.
Not only has Ethereal overcome natural disasters, but now we harness energy from them. Our wind turbines, megaminds, harness energy produced by the protons and electrons in sandstorms. Nanotechnology superconducting rings detect and harness electricity between sand particles and store it for future use.
Bumps designed using biomimicry on the edges of megaminds help reduce drag and increase aerodynamic ability. This technology directs airflow across blades, creating swirling vortices, enhancing lift with incredible efficiency.
Ethereal's power sources include solar updraft towers, geothermal, solar, and wind. Redundant energy sources along with microgrids help make our city impervious to power interruptions. These clean, efficient energy sources leave no carbon footprint.
Self-cleaning ethereal cells are located on every building generating energy. They're equipped with sensors connected to a rotation system, which maximizes efficiency by adjusting to the perfect angle and automatically removes sand buildup.
Microgrids turn off power sources when they aren't required, and flywheels are used to store energy, converting kinetic energy to electricity. A 5 milliwatt wind turbine produces more than 15 million kilowatt hours per year. That supplies electricity on average to 1,400 households per unit. Microgrids individually power electricity sources, interconnected with main power sources,
Which are solar updraft
but
towers.
can operate single-handedly.
Ooh, and Ethereal uses underground transmission and distribution power lines to avoid damage from harmful UV rays.
In 2018, Bahrain suffered from a major lack of water because of its desert climate.
But in 24-28, cloud seeding infuses dry ice particles into the clouds to make it rain.
Surplus water is stored in underground cisterns. Cloud seeding demolishes sandstorms. The rain stops the clouds of sand forming over the city, diminishing its strength. Cloud seeding of the past used harmful chemicals, such as silver iodine and potassium iodine. Chemical engineers innovated the use of dry ice, which does not release toxic gases into the atmosphere that will harm the environment.
Ethereal's communication system, Harmony Hearing, is embedded into the ear and relays information from the left frontal lobe of the brain. Harmony Hearing allows citizens to communicate privately as they operate by simply thinking various commands and text.
Additionally, Harmony bracelets are available with holographic features for more interactive communication.
Nanosensors detect pending sandstorms through magnetic activity and alert all citizens via Harmony Hearing. When a sandstorm is detected, ethereal walkways will enclose with retractable walls, and cloud seeding is used to control the storm's impact.
Underground ethereal ways connect the entire city through underground sub-ethereals for transportation. This infrastructure helps maintain the routine of normal life without disruptions.
Citizens use Harmony Hearing to request gyrospheres, levitating vehicles that travel autonomously. Gyrospheres are available for purchase, but renting is encouraged with our sharing incentives.
Similar to Uber of 2018,
But fully autonomous
gyrospheres save money
And energy.
and increase air traffic.
Skyflies, Ethereal's mass transit system, and gyrospheres are powered using ethereal solar cells and acoustic levitation, which uses pressure waves to harness the compression of particles for levitation.
Most buildings in ethereal are composed of finite, apart from greenhouses, which are made of plexiglass reinforced with microfiber coating, which also coats all windows and solar panels, protecting them from sand.
Finite, designed our material engineers, is reusable and has been innovated to have zero carbon footprint. Finite is the main export because it is made of desert sand.
A substance Ethereal has a ton of.
Most buildings in Ethereal are connected with underground finite tunnels, providing an entire underground city scene, complete with stores, recreational facilities, and emergency centers in case of severe sandstorms that cannot be totally controlled through Cloud City.
Walkways covered with ethereal solar cell roofing connect most buildings in the city, providing shade during the day while supporting an active lifestyle and simultaneously providing us another clean energy source.
That's right. Ethereal waves convert kinetic energy into electricity. When people walk on them, the pressure causes generators to vertically displace, which in turn produces electromagnetic induction. At night, ethereal waves emit a glow, lighting up the entire city for citizens to enjoy our nightlife.
In the University of Ethereal, nanotechnology engineers use the same nanosensors used in Harmony Hearing, along with neuromorphic computing, a field just emerging in 2018. This technology enables individualized education using brain mapping, hand-tailoring instruction based upon every person's learning ability, along with monitoring endorphins to increase happiness and mental health.
Over time, Ethereal has overcome many problems, which led us to becoming world-renowned for our innovative engineers who have developed resilient and sustainable solutions to make
What was once
A sandy mess.
now the very best.
and dare we say, too perfect for this world, or
Ethereal.